What's up, YouTube world? Big D and Chopper here. Well, Chopper's my dog, but before we get down with this video, if you're new to me, my dog's channel, be sure you guys hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bells and share this video as well. So, let's get this going. Now, are you tired of having your car smell like fried food in here? Well, here's something that can help. The Refresh Your Car Ice, your very own mini diffuser car refreshener. See? Check it out. As soon as I open the door to my truck, you'll see the difference. Watch this. Hold on a second. Ooh. Well, watch and learn, guys. Watch and learn. First, gotta open this. See, got these parts open. Now all you gotta do is just clamp these parts. This is for all you future car owners. There we go. What's this? Ah, here it is. Just put this on. Clamp it on like this. And just put it right here. And just put it on the AC. There you go. Put it on the AC. Clamp it right here. And now I'm gonna do the next one. You got this one out. And to put you see this clamp right here? Just put it right up here. Well, you see that hole? Okay, put it down. Make it all. There we go. And just put it on the AC. Where the AC is at. Right here. First thing is, I gotta get it even. I gotta get it even now. There we go. Perfect! See? Look at that. Now, I got two of them. Now, all I gotta do is just start up the truck. And you smell the difference. Just give it some time, and you'll smell the difference between these. This is starting to make my truck smell good already. Oh, how'd y'all like my new radio system? You see how it's starting to make a car smell fresh? There. I feel much better now. My truck smells like a brand new truck. But well, that's it of the video right now. But if you do guys like this video, be sure you give this thing a thumbs up. If you're new to me, my dog Chopper's channel, be sure you guys hit the subscribe button and turn notification bells. Oh, and share this video as well. So I'll see y'all next time on the vlog. Peace.